Hi guys, so today is gonna be a quickie. I'm here at the mall. I'm at Carolina Place Mall in South Carolina or North Carolina, I'm not sure. I don't know, it's like on the border. Anyway, that's because a month ago I found a bag here that was really cute, and then I think last week the price was reduced and I just got like really excited about it. It's an Alma BB in Vernice, and I normally would be like Vernice, but it's a dark color so it won't show wear and tear as much. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep it. I know sales are final, so if I decide not to keep it, I'm just gonna relist it. So if I do, I'll post it here so you guys can buy it if you're interested. But I thought, why not show you guys another cool way I've been getting bags lately, not just necessarily through consignment stores or through Rebag and Tradesy and all the online ones. So there's a store called What Goes Around New York City, I think, and it's they sell their bags to Dillards. I think you've probably heard that Fashionphile and Neiman Marcus have partnered as well. I'm not really sure what's going to be happening there. Then LXR & Co, I think is what it's called. They have setups in Belk and maybe Nordstrom, I'm not sure. But they also have a little like, you know how there's like a MAC cosmetic area in Belk? Well, there's like a little vintage handbags area now as well in all the Belks. And it's, I think this LXR & Co, and they have a website, I'll link that as well. But all these stores are partnering with vintage stores so that you can get these things, you know, pre-owned, you know, pre-loved, but for better prices, and you can use your store card, and you know, it's just, these things sit there for a while, so chances are if you need to save for it and you need to wait like four weeks or so, they'll probably still be there. But sometimes, I don't think the store sales reduce their prices, but in this case they looked at the condition, they thought they could bring the price down, so I got lucky. So yeah, I had the lady holding it for me, so I'm just gonna run in and grab it because my lunch hour is only 1 hour long, and I actually still need to go drive a 25-minute drive to go get some Nigerian food because that is what I'm craving today. So I'm trying to get this, just pick it up and go. I already inspected it before, and I know it's been off the floor, so I think it's still in the same condition I left it at. But yeah, come with me, let's go pick up this item. Okay, you guys, so funny story, they got robbed. They got robbed, and the one bag they took, maybe they took more, but they took my bag. I'm guessing what happened was that day she did not get to she didn't get to put it on hold like, I don't know how to explain it. She was supposed to take it off the floor and take it to customer service. They're checking with customer service. They don't believe the lady I worked with had a chance to take it and put it with customer service stuff. Maybe she put it aside under her table, I don't know. But apparently that day or a few days later, I don't know, somehow they got robbed and my bag is gone. So I'm really sad. I'm really late for lunch now because I haven't eaten. But the point is, there ain't no bag to be had. That really sucks. I'm really sad actually. But on the bright side, I decided to give the Toiletry 26 another shot. If you saw my last video, the birthday video, I sold it. I bought it, I never used it, and I sold it. But I've been looking at a lot of pictures, and I think mine maybe was just too new, like it was crisp. So maybe that's why it didn't look as fun, which is weird, right? You would think new is more fun, but yeah. And I didn't also get a Samorga organizer, so I couldn't make it look full. It just looked kind of, anyway, the point is I'm rethinking it. I'm thinking about getting another one. My essay's on the lookout for one. I told her to text me if she finds one, if one comes in. So far none has come in this week, so maybe one will come in next week. But we'll see, but on to my lunch date. Alright y'all, it is 5 something and I am officially here to get my hair done. I just wanted to show you how bushy it looks after 6 weeks. I did not miss an appointment this time. It literally has just been 6 weeks and I'm this bushy. Like, can you even see that? That's just bush. So anyway, let me go in because I am late as usual. There's always traffic. But I just wanted to show you the before. One of my locks had fallen out a while ago, like a week, 3 weeks ago maybe, but I reattached it. I literally just like braided it back in, and I'm gonna try to find the one. Okay, so I actually can't find which one it is. I did such a good job blending it in. I'll try to find it when I get home, but I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna try to find it when I get there and tell her so she doesn't pull that one too hard. But let me go right in. I'm late, y'all. So it's the next day. Last night when I came home I was really tired, so I just ate and watched some Hallmark movies and went to sleep. But I'm all done. I just couldn't show last night. I was really tired. She did find the one I was talking about. She said it was on the second row. I'm not even gonna try to find it because she found it, but she was like, oh, you did a good job adding it back in. And then she got another tool and she tightened the lock, so she made sure it wouldn't move because I braided it down, I twisted it in, but she interlocked it a little bit. I don't know what the technique is called. The sister locked it, but either way, she used another tool and kind of acted like she was starting a new lock, but she made it lock within itself, so it's pretty safe in there. If it falls out again, I'm just I literally like every time I run my hand through at work, I'm always like, nothing is coming out, right? Yeah, so pretty much if anything flies out again, I'm gonna pick it up and attach it back up because I'm not losing length. Like, it's still my hair. Is that gross? It's still my hair, and it fell in my own house, like on my own floors. It was still clean. But yeah, so I attached it back in, but she said it happens all the time. She's lost a few locks that just fall out because they have a thin connection at some point and they just get weak. But it's really early in the morning, this time change thing. It's like dark, but it's actually almost time for me to be at work and I haven't left the house yet. And I haven't packed breakfast or lunch yet. So I'm gonna get out of here, but I just wanted to show you my hair. She actually put the pattern on this side, but I moved it. See how my watch is catching? But I moved it and just picked another row and moved it. That way it gave it more body, because the way she had it, it laid well, but I wanted it to be poofier on top. So I moved it in the opposite direction and that made it poofy. Yeah, that's what I'm looking like, y'all. She liked the crinkles, so she tried not to let them get wrecked in the process, which I appreciate. That's it. I'm gonna go to work. Like this one. $30, $35.